Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, it has been a hot minute that I've come on to share anything with you. Most of you know that due to the accident I wasn't able to really share anything, but I am feeling better, and I thought I'm able to use my arm quite a bit more. So of course, what did I do? One of the first things that I did was I started crafting. Yes, I did. Oh my gosh, guys, that felt so good. So I am going to share with you something that I made for Decorate Your Life, which is Sandy Nagel. I was supposed to be a guest designer a month ago, and of course, again, life happened. I had two of her Halloween papers. This one, I believe it was from last year. Oh my gosh, guys, these are so adorable. This one is called Hey Boo, and I haven't printed the entire collection because I wasn't sure what I was gonna do with it. And you know me, if I'm not gonna print them if I'm not gonna use them. So I printed what I thought I would use, and I didn't even get to use that. But anyway, let me show you, let me go through these few pages that I have printed. So I just love the pastels, all the soft muted colors. Just love that. And then look at this page. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. So I did do something with her collection, although it wasn't this one. Isn't that cat just adorable? So I did do something with her collection, although it was not this one. I just wanted to show you, you'll see the other one in a second, but I just wanted to show you how pretty, the beautiful colors that Sandy uses for her collections. And I think this is one. And this is that very first one that I showed you. It's just printed in portrait instead of landscape. I tried printing it in landscape on my computer or on my printer, and it kind of was a little bit bigger than my printer. I didn't adjust any settings or anything. So anyway, just wanted to show you how pretty this paper is. Super pretty. And this one is the one called Hey Boo. Now the one that I use, guys, is the pink spells from this year. Oh my gosh. So I have made 3 projects with the pink spells paper. So I'm going to go with the tiniest ones. So this is a little shaker, a desktop. It's a letterboard. So I don't know if you can tell, but the background has the embossed lines like the letterboard. And this is part of the ephemera of the pink spells. And I just put a little bow here. And I made this into a shaker. Isn't that cute? Now, it doesn't, the die that I used, and I'll list everything I used in the description box. The die that I used does not have an easel. So, but I thought it would be cute to have it stand up. So I just put a quick little easel on the back. Super easy. And there it is. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. And all the shaker bits, of course. I got all those shaker bits from Happy Crafter Shop. That she's got the coolest stuff. But again, I'll list that in the description box. The star and the little candy is also from the pink spells. Super duper cute. So that was the smallest, and that was actually the last one that I made because I still had some ephemera left over, and I wanted to try to do something with it. So the second one, the second project that the second that I'm going to show you was the very first thing that I have made. And I did follow a tutorial, and again, I am going to put the tutorial that I followed in the description box. Although they gave centimeters, I think, measurements in centimeters, but I saw her tutorial and I'm like, yeah, no, I can do that. So this is a little carousel, and here is my little carousel, guys. Oh my gosh, isn't it just adorable? Isn't it just the cutest carousel. All these characters just having fun. The ghosties came out to play. There's the house on the inside on the center pole. I did put a tree in there. And all these are from the paper pack. And the ghost, again, they're just everywhere. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And then, you know, the feet at the bottom. You know, I like my feet. So there's a little carousel. And then, so this is my little spooky carousel. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. It is so adorable. I just used iridescent straws. And then I wrapped some, I think it's a 1/4-inch strips of paper around the straws to make them look like a little more like the poles in a carousel. So cute. This was so much fun. It's very sturdy. Oh yeah, I forgot. These right here, these are not glued down just because it was an afterthought. Anyway, there is my little carousel, guys. So stinking cute. So the only thing I had to do twice was the top of this carousel, because like I said, she was giving measurements in centimeters, and you know, I don't have time for centimeters, so I said, well, no, I can do that. So the only thing I did twice was the top of the carousel, because the first one I tried to follow her direction on the first one, but I'm using a different size circle, therefore it didn't work out. So the second time I did it, it turned out good. So this is project number 2. So stinking cute. Let me show you number 3, which is my favorite. Guys, I made a mini album. I have not made a mini album in such a long time. Just a regular, this one's a 5x7. I have not made it any size regular mini album, book mini album, in such a long time that I actually enjoyed it. But I don't like the matting. You guys know I don't like matting. So this is using the pink spells, okay? The pink spells is so pretty, guys. So this is the front of the pink spells. I just put a cluster of flowers here on the front. Spiderweb flower, you know, some you know, bling, you know me. It's gotta have some bling in it. And then this, I did not and have not done anything to the side, and I probably will not. Here is the back. Isn't that just, look at those colors, guys. Gosh, that is so pretty. You know, purple is my favorite. So this pink spells, when I saw it, I'm like, oh my gosh, yes, I can work with that. Super, super pretty. Yeah, so it has the acetate window. It's got that really cute, it's got the really cute house there, just beautiful. But it also has a little surprise for everyone. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it lights up. I put some lights behind the house. Let me see how well you can see. I'm going to turn off my overhead light and just show you how cool that looks. Oh my gosh. I was going to design it differently, and then I thought, you know what? I have lights. I am going to put lights behind the house. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. That's why this cluster of flowers is so large, because it is hiding the little battery pack switch. So you just up and down to turn it on and off. So cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. So let me show you the inside of the book. And I used probably every page, because I think I had to print additional pages to finish the mini album. So anyway, you open it up, and this cluster, like I said, is hiding that little battery pack. The battery pack, I can pull it out. So it's just a little box, and I can pull it out and replace the battery. Okay, and then I just put it back into that little box and hide the wire that comes with, that's attached to the box, that's attached to the lights. there you go. Super duper cute. Now opening it up, so inside this box right here are the lights. So there's just a space where I was able to tape the lights exactly where I wanted them, and hide all that mechanism back there. So opening up the book, this is the first page. This is the first page behind the light box, if you want to call it that. And this is a little, everything that's printed is from that Pink Spells collection. So this is a little tuck spot, and again from the collection. I didn't over embellish because I just thought that the paper does all the talking. I didn't want to cover much up because it's so cute. So I did put my my sparkly gems there. There's a little bat. That was a banner from one of the pages, and I just did a couple of little picture maps, and that tucks right back in there. Okay, and then this opens up this way, and you have 2 more pages that you can put photos on, and you can do some journaling or whatever. But there's a couple of mats that you can put pictures on. And then this side, all the pages have an insert, and the insert is the same on both sides. I love her background paper because I mean it goes with the collection. I just love the background paper. So I used background paper for each of the inserts, and so that they'll have some color to them as well. Okay. So this page is a plain page. I didn't do much to it because it does have this box here, so I didn't want to do too much to where it would prevent the page turning because of the box. So not much bulk. And then turning it this way, I've got these 2 pages. This one opens up. Hopefully you can see that. It opens up. And then this page has, again, a photo mat. And this one opens that way to put more photos. And of course, this is a pocket right here. Okay, so this is my green page. And they do have a magnetic closure. And then on this side, I just used my border die, the Halloween spiderweb border die, to make a belly band. And again, right here, this is part of that green background paper. And then I just made a little booklet that you can put photos on. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that is so cute. And then these are a few of the, 3 of the little cut aparts that you can either journal on or put smaller photos on the back. So I like this page. So colorful. Okay, so that was my green page. I did print 2, no, it was just, I think it was 2 pages, but this is from her fall collection. She didn't have a yellow background page, and so I went ahead and used that one. So that one was, I matched that one up to my yellow page. This is my yellow page. How pretty those graphics, guys. Oh my goodness, so cute, little kitty cats. So again, I did put little bling. Every page has a little bit of bling because, me, guys, that's me. And then this page opens up this way, and they have a spider web right at the corners there, and you can actually tuck your photo into the back side if you need to. I hope I didn't glue it all the way down, but you can tuck your photo into the back of the spider web. And then this one does have also a magnetic closure, and then this one is my other page. There you go. And this is one of the another one of the Pink Spells page with images on there, and this is from that other collection. I think it turned out great. It matched really well. And then turning the page, I have this one, and these 2 are my twin pages. I always do twin pages usually in my mini albums. And again, this one is they're not glued all the way down, so you can put your photos in the back. And then again, this is from one of the pages. I just put the little banner pieces, I fussy cut them out, and I just put a little string like they were hanging, and then some bling on the top, and then a glitter border on this page. So these are my twin pages. And then this one has, look at these little houses. Oh my gosh, aren't they cute? Oh my gosh. So this one has the pink background, and here is the pink background, the mat with the pink background. I didn't show you the green one, but there's the green one with the, and this one is also from the fall collection. I have to see which one it is, but the green and this darker yellow, mustardy yellow, are from a different collection, but I thought they went well. So this one is a, you know, a little side pocket, and all I did was fussy cut the cute little house out, blinged it up, put the moon up here. The collection does come with a fussy cut page. So, and again, these are part of the fussy cut of the cut aparts. Yeah, this is part of the cut aparts. Look at that. Isn't she just adorable? And this is another one. And you know, all her paper has, I just love that, all her paper has, you know, all these little designs throughout the paper. So for this one, all I did was, you know, just tuck them in there. I cut them out and tuck them in there. And then this last page, guys, if you've ever, you know, watched any of my mini album videos, I love to put a pocket in the back, just because me personally, I always have, you know, a few photos left after I fill up a mini album, and I hate to just tuck them in there. So this one is actually a pocket. And I just, again, the houses are so pretty. So this is a pocket, you know, it's closed with Velcro. So opening it up this way, I went ahead and left that blank, but I went ahead and put, you know, some paper back here, and then I finished this off with a happy Halloween and some of the cut aparts. And this is part of the front image, so that when you do open it up, you see the entire image. And that is my pocket, my mini album pocket. So here you are, guys. I just had so much fun because I couldn't craft, and then when I could, this is what I came up with. I felt like I was letting Sandy down, even though she and Jenny said, don't worry about it, you know, take care of yourself. I just felt like, you know, I was letting her down. So I, you know, I thought, okay, when I can craft, I'm gonna do this. So there is my project share for Decorate Your Life. Guys, I'm going to put her website in my description box. Again, this is called Pink Spells. If you have not seen it, oh my gosh, guys, go check it out. It is the prettiest paper. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. It feels good to be back, and I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.